Hello friends, my name is Dr. Anshuman Kaushal and I am currently heading the unit in Department of Robotic Minimal Access, Bariatric and Laser Surgery in Artemis Hospital, Gurgaon. So what is a surgical robot? Surgical robot is not something new. This technology has been existing for last 15 years or so. However, as of now, only few procedures are being done by the surgical robot like prostate surgeries, oncosurgeries, thoracic surgeries and gynec surgeries up to a certain extent. However, we at Artemis have a dedicated robotic surgery program, and the role of robot has been extended to the surgeries like gallstone removal. In fact, we have recently performed a robotic cholecystectomy in a 42 years old patient, I think which is the one of the first cases in entire Gurgaon, and the patient's recovery was excellent. The surgical robot has got three parts: the patient cart, which is the main frame of robotic surgical system, and there are multiple arms which are attached to it. The second component is the surgeon's console, which is located in the same operation theatre, on which the surgeon sees the magnified three-dimensional vision of the patient's abdomen and perform the surgery with joysticks. The third part of the robotic surgery is the vision cart, which has got a monitor and on which the rest of the OT staff can see that what's going on. Furthermore, the surgeon and the assistant surgeons are always connected through microphone. So what are the advantages of robotic surgery? Robotic surgery has enabled the surgeon to do the surgeries with more precision, dexterity and agility, reducing the complications. Also, it is quite ergonomic for the surgeon. The benefits of robotic surgery in the patients are many. Number one, it is a very safe way of doing a surgery. Number two, there will be less chance of infection. Number three, there will be less bleeding while doing the surgery. Patient will have less pain after the procedure, enabling him to recover quickly, and then the patient can resume his or her work within a period of say 24 to 48 hours. With developing technology, artificial intelligence, machine learning and augmented reality, the future of robotic surgery looks quite promising. So we at Artemis are doing almost all kind of surgeries with the help of robotic system. Examples: robotic hernia repairs. Inguinal hernia and ventral hernia can be done beautifully by using a surgical robot with minimal complications. Bariatric surgeries like sleeve gastrectomy and gastric bypass. Colorectal surgeries, upper GI surgeries like esophagus, fundoplication for gastroesophageal reflux disease, abdominal wall reconstructions and many other procedures. Most of the insurance companies are covering robotic surgery these days. So friends, if you have any further query regarding the robotic surgery, or if your insurance is covering the robotic surgery for you, you can come to us at Artemis Hospital and we will be very happy to take care of you.